The Old Man and the Lost Book. In a small village there lived a kind old man named Mr. Henry. He loved books. His house was full of them, books on tables, books on shelves, and even books on the floor. Every day Mr. Henry sat under a tree in the village square. Children came to him, and he read stories aloud. The children loved his stories. Mr. Henry's stories take us to magic places, they said. One day Mr. Henry looked for his favorite book, a small red one. It was a book full of old stories, but the book was gone. "Oh no," said Mr. Henry, "my book is lost." Mr. Henry walked around the village asking everyone, "Did you see my red book?" A little boy named Leo heard him. "Mr. Henry looks sad," Leo said. "I will help him find the book." Leo searched under tables, behind doors, and in the market, but he could not find the book. Then Leo had an idea. Leo gathered the village children. "Let's make a new book for Mr. Henry," he said. Each child wrote a small story on paper. Some drew pictures of animals, trees, and the stars. They worked all afternoon. When the book was ready, Leo gave it to Mr. Henry. "We made this for you," Leo said. Mr. Henry opened the book. His eyes filled with tears. "This is the best book I have ever seen," he said with a smile. From that day, Mr. Henry read the children's stories in the village square. "This book is full of love," he told them. The children learned that sometimes the things we lose can help us find something even more special.